What if the real cause of neuropathy pain isn't nerve damage, but three hidden enzymes your doctor never told you about? New research from Science 2025 has uncovered a natural neuropathy relief supplement that targets the root cause of nerve pain, not just the symptoms. And it all started on a remote Greek island where people live longer, healthier lives, free from the burning, tingling, and numbness that plague millions. This breakthrough formula works by blocking COX2, PGE2, and MMP13, three enzymes now known to inflame and destroy nerve tissue. These enzymes are overactive in people with diabetes, chronic inflammation, and age-related nerve decline. But on the island of Ikaria, researchers found that locals, many of them diabetic, showed no signs of neuropathy. Why? Because their traditional diet naturally inhibits these enzymes. NeuroPure is based on that discovery. It combines potent extracts from Ikaria with clinically studied ingredients that calm the nervous system, restore nerve function, and reduce pain, without drugs, side effects, or dependency. Thousands of people are now walking, sleeping, and living pain-free again. They report better mobility, deeper sleep, and a renewed sense of freedom, all from a simple 5-second daily habit. If you've tried creams, pills, or prescriptions that only mask the pain, it's time to try something different, something that works with your body, not against it. This isn't just another supplement. It's a science-backed solution that targets the biological root of neuropathy pain, and it's changing lives. Access the scientific studies and clinical data behind this formula and see why researchers are calling it a breakthrough in nerve health.